guys, welcome back. This is Kanak and welcome back. So we have learned many topics and covered almost 3/4 of the. In the previous video we were in types of pollination. I think we have covered it, but let me do a recap. So self-pollination and cross-pollination. I have told how to pronounce the other names too. So basically, self-pollination is a process where the pollen grains land on the stigma of a same flower, and cross-pollination is the process where the pollen grains land on a stigma of a different flower. We don't know whether it is a similar kind or a different kind, but it is landed on the stigma of a different flower. So we know what there are two types of pollination. Now we will talk about the fertilization process. So basically, when the male and female gametes or gametes fuse together to form a zygote is called fertilization. The process where the formation of zygote occurs is called fertilization. Here it's written that a zygote is formed as the fusion between the male and female gametes occurs. This process of formation of the zygote is called fertilization. It's a basic thing which you should know. Then the zygote develops and turns in an embryo. So when the zygote is formed, it develops and it turns into an embryo. This was a basic process where the formation and development of zygote occurs, which is fertilization. Now, so many times you have seen in big trees there are apples, mangoes, many different kinds of fruits, right? Even in plants, right? But you might get in doubt, how are these fruits and seeds formed? So as I said, the fertilization process is where the zygote develops and turns into an embryo. So the ovary of the flower grows and develops into a fruit. So the ovary which is it develops into a fruit. The remaining parts of the flower they fall off. Then the ovules develop and form the seeds of the fruit. Then the embryo is enclosed inside the seeds. Some fruits are fleshy and juicy, such as mango, apple and orange. Some fruits are hard like almond. Let me explain it to you in a simple word. When the fertilization process is done, after that the ovary of the flower grows and develops into a fruit. It becomes a fruit. So whatever remaining parts of the flower are there, they fall off. Then the ovary which has ovules develop and form the fruits of the seeds, of the fruit. Then the embryo is enclosed inside the seeds. Whatever that embryo is there, it is enclosed inside by the seeds. Then some fruits will be fleshy and juicy like mangoes, apples and oranges, and some will be hard like almonds. It was basic process. So now we have understood how fruits and seeds are formed. So now we will talk about seed dispersal. By hearing the word seed dispersal, what do you understand? I understand I get a basic 3 words in my mind. Transportation of seeds. This is what all I know. So let us get to know about seed dispersal in depth. So the transportation of seeds from the parent plant to different places is called seed dispersal. Yeah, so it is a transportation of seeds where they are dispersing from the parent plant to different places. So, seed dispersal allows growth of same kind of plants in different regions. Yeah, as I told, the transportation of seed occurs where they have been separated from the parent plant to different places. So when they go to different places, the growth of same kind of plants occurs in different regions or places. So, this is helpful because it minimizes the competition of food, sunlight, water and minerals among the plants of the same kind in the same area. So this is really helpful because we don't need, there is lesser competition for food, sunlight, water, minerals among the plants of same kind and same area. Yeah. It also allows them to grow in different habitats. Yeah, this is a very, this is a point which is really important. Yeah. So we understood now what is seed dispersal. Basic words, it's transportation of seeds from the parent plant to different places. Yeah. Now we will learn about the seed dispersion. We will learn the distribution factors and the types of seeds that they propagate. So basically, distribution factors are winds, water, animals and fruit bursts. And the types of seed that propagate, let's look. So winds propagate drumstick, which is maple, winged seeds, grasses, lightweight seeds. It's arc or ache, which is hairy seeds, sunflower, which are hairy fruits. So what kind of seeds do wind propagate? Drumstick, grasses, ache or arc and sunflower. Okay, what does water? Which kind of seeds does water propagate? Coconut, yeah. Seeds with spongy and fibrous coating so that they float in water. Yeah, many times in movies or some stories, they say, right, coconut being in the water. Yeah. Then what kind of seeds do animals propagate? Spiny seeds like xanthium and urena get attached to the bodies of the animals. Yeah, so this is not the direct way to propagate. Indirectly, they are propagating seeds. Yes. Then fruit bursts, castor and balsam. Yeah, balsam. So these are the distribution factors in the left side of the table, and the right side types of seed that they propagate. So I hope you guys understood what was the topic, like what was seed dispersion, fertilization process, how do male gametes reach to female gametes, pistil, all the bisexual flowers, sexual flowers, two types of process of reproduction, modes of reproduction, many things we have learned this chapter, and we end this chapter. Thank you, goodbye, hope you understood, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe so that we bring more videos further which are helpful for you.